know sweet grief. I know you will be the death of me. Feel like the morning after ecstasy.